The belts have been replaced and the mechanism has been reinstalled into the cassette deck and connected. So it's now time to reassemble everything. The cassette door is in place. Does it work? Yes, it does. And now, the moment of truth. The faceplate is back on. Let's apply power and see what happens. I hear the capstan motor running. See, I forgot to lubricate the capstan motor. Isn't that annoying? Okay, let's press eject. Put in a cassette. Well, that looks promising. Fast forward works. Fast forward works. The new stop button works. Rewind. Oops. I heard the fast rewind, but as it's coming closer to the beginning of the cassette, it automatically cancels that. So let's try again. Rewind. Fast rewind. There we go. And now let's press record. Record pause. Let's start the CD player. Okay. Those are... And press record. So that is source. And that's the tape, which seems to have a lot of treble. Well, it does record, but it sounds a bit strange. Let's try this auto tape tuning. How does that work? There we go. Auto tape tuning. That should adjust the bias. Okay, that went fast. Much better. Oh, yes. Okay, that did the trick. So, seems like in the default position, the bias for this particular type of cassette is way off, because there was way too much treble. But auto tape tuning does fix that. I now have the 1 kHz test tone tape running, and would you look at that? Almost spot on 1 kHz. No tweaking required. And here it is, the Yamaha KX-930 cassette deck, all put back together, cleaned, including the heads, and ready to go, hopefully for many more years to come. And by the way, I have now figured out why the test recording earlier on sounded so weird without the auto tape tuning. I had the little hole for the auto tape selector on the cassette covered up. So that has now been corrected. It is a chrome cassette, as you can see. That's the tape. That's the source. Tape. Thank you for watching.